Hey friends, if you're ready to leave FreshBooks behind and run your books in QuickBooks Online, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a clean, reliable way to migrate without losing critical data or making a mess you'll have to fix later. Let's make this painless. First, quick prep so your migration goes smoothly. In FreshBooks, tidy up, close, or collect old invoices if you can, categorize any uncategorized expenses, and make sure customer and vendor names are consistent, no duplicates or weird spellings. Export backups of your key reports, accounts, receivable aging, accounts, payable aging, profit and loss, balance sheet, general ledger, and a customer vendor list. Save them. They'll be your truth serum when we verify. In QuickBooks, create your company file, set your home currency and tax settings, and this is important. Turn off or pause bank rules and bank feeds during the migration to avoid duplicates. Now the move. Step 1, log into QuickBooks Online and go to the Apps section. Search for the FreshBooks connector. This can be through the QuickBooks app marketplace or an integration tool like OneSAS. Install the app. Step 2, connect FreshBooks. The connector will prompt you to sign in to FreshBooks and choose the correct business. Authorize access. Step 3, configure the integration. This is where most migrations are won or lost. Map your data. Customers tout clients. Customers, vendors, suppliers, vendors, products, charge services, products and services, match income expense accounts, invoices, payments, credit notes, sales and receivables expenses, bills and payments, expenses and payables taxes, QuickBooks, tax codes. Choose your date range. Many businesses pick from the start of this fiscal year, then bring in prior balances via opening balances, but you can also bring full history if needed. Step 4, transfer the data. Start a small test run first, say the last 30 days. Check the logs the app provides and fix any mapping warnings. When the test looks good, run the full migration. Keep your browser open until it completes. Step 5, verify. Open QuickBooks and run the same reports you exported earlier. AR aging, AP aging, P&L, and balance sheet for the same dates. Your totals should match. Spot check a few customers. Does an invoice in FreshBooks show exactly the same in QuickBooks, including tax, line items, and payment status? Do item service sales hit the right income accounts? If anything's off, adjust mappings and resync just that segment instead of redoing everything. Step 6, double-check completeness before you cut over. Make sure open invoices and bills exist, bank balances reconcile, and starting balances are correct as of your cutover date. Only then re-enable bank feeds and recreate any bank rules in QuickBooks. Pro tips to avoid headaches: keep names unique to prevent merge conflicts, watch for multi-currency differences, and remember that attachments and some project time data may not transfer. Export and store them if you need an audit trail. After migration, lock your FreshBooks period or downgrade access so no new transactions sneak in. And that's it. You've connected, mapped, transferred, verified, and locked it down. If this helped, give it a like and drop your trickiest migration question in the comments. I read them all. See you in the next one, and happy bookkeeping.